Hi everyone, my name is Liza Spirit and welcome to my YouTube channel, the channel where I talk about spirituality, personal growth and development, and where I focus a lot on journaling. And I'm a huge journaling advocate and I love sharing different journaling techniques with you for personal growth, for self-reflection, for awareness, to release the stress and anxiety. And today this video is for those who want to start your day with journaling. Many of you asked me where should I start? I'm struggling. Journaling takes a lot of time to do and I want to break all of those stereotypes of journaling. It's such a complicated thing to do, and I prepared a free PDF template which you can download below in the description. I printed it out today for you, and we will fill it in all the pages. Actually, there's only one page. We will fill in together with you. And that's a morning thing I do every single day to kick off your day, to set up the intention for the day. It's not going to take longer than 5 minutes, but it's going to change the direction of your day forever, with what attitude you start your day, if something goes wrong during the day, how you can help yourself, how you can stay on track with your intention, always getting back to it. So this is such a powerful tool which will only take 5 minutes every single day. You can print it out, you can print as many pages as you want for every single day of the month. You can do it digitally, you can just download it at your iPad, on your desktop, laptop, your phone, and fill it in, or just take the questions, the prompts I prepared for you, put it in your notes. There are so many options you can do. This is just extra guide to help you to start and to kick off your day, especially if you're struggling with journaling, you don't know what questions you should ask yourself every single day. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you with the questions. I'm here to help you with the structure of this journal. And yeah, let me switch up the cameras and we will start doing it all together with you today. So let's start filling in our journal. That's how it looks. This is the front page. If you want, you can print it out. If you don't want to print it, don't print it. It's not required. The most important page is the second page. That's where we will start filling in all the information. So let's look what we have here. We have the date. We have our to-do list for today. We have our intention for the day. And we have my self-care plan for the day. And we have the notes and certain reminders if you want to remind yourself, buy the grocery, you want to remind yourself, go to pharmacy and buy something. You can always put some reminders or, things you gotta do, get on a call with somebody, some extra things to consider, where you can put it here. So just extra space for you. If you cannot put it in any of those categories, it's not really a to-do list. It's not really the intention. It's not even part of the self-care plan for today. So you can always put it here. So let's start filling it in, and I will also explain you this to-do part, why I have it in 3 different columns and what is the reasoning for this. So the date today is, I'm recording this video, is January 27th. In my country, I'm used to writing it this way. I know that many countries you write the numbers other way around. So for me it's day, months, and then the year. And for some of you, maybe it's different as well. So, or sometimes I just write January 27th, 2024 as well. So our to-do list, 3 columns we have here: urgent, mid-urgency, and non-urgent. Why do you need that? I want you to start putting the things within the priority. I want you to recognize this is the most important things that I need to do. I must do them. Those ones are urgent. You have certain deadlines, you have certain appointments or something like this. This is urgent and this is needed for you to do. The mid-urgency, it's I have to do it today, but maybe later in the day, not right away that I need to finish it. Once I finish my urgent tasks, I can move to mid-urgency. Non-urgent is something that you need to do them, but nothing's gonna happen if you're not gonna have them completed or done during this day. They can be done tomorrow or a day later, or maybe in a couple of days. From non-urgent, they'll start moving to mid-urgency. From mid-urgency, they'll start moving to urgent, just based on, again, on the timeline and based on your deadlines. So if we are talking about the urgent things, usually for me, some of the urgent things I need to do. Let's say I have a YouTube live and I need to plan it because it's urgent. It's coming up tomorrow and I haven't done anything for it. So I'll just put plan YouTube live. This is urgent. It needs to be done today. If I don't do it, I'm screwed completely. Maybe I need to send some emails, send clients emails. What else? Maybe I need to do today for something urgent, visit a doctor. Plus get referral for something else. For doctor's appointments, if you want, you can put them also in notes and reminders. But like if I need to get a referral, I need to remind myself that it needs to be done. Maybe I haven't booked it and it's urgent. I need to book a visit. It's like it cannot wait anymore. It needs to be done today. That's it. Maybe to submit some certain applications. I've been doing some visa application, for example, like that could also go to urgent things and urgent matters that needs to be done today. I need to book something as well that it's going to go to urgent. This is important. I need to respond to someone. Respond to this person. I would also put it under urgent. So like this is something that I will do first half of the day because this is very important for me to do. Maybe you have to prepare for exam. You have an exam coming up. Prepare, study for exam. This is urgent. You cannot avoid it. That's going to be like one of your focus for today. So urgent, as I said before, the most important things that needs to be done during the day. Mid urgency, once I'm done with this ones, I'll move to mid urgency ones. For mid urgency, we can put like, okay, I'm done with all of this. I've completed all of this for YouTube live. I need to plan it. And then mid urgency would be maybe create a promo for life. I cannot do this without this urgent task, right? Sometimes they're connected as well. Mid urgency, buy a food for my cat. I'm just trying to come up with some random stuff right now. What could be potentially my mid urgency? Buy cat food because like first those things needs to be done. But if I don't do it today, I don't have any food for my cat. It needs to be done, but just a little bit later in the day. Maybe also for mid urgency would be to call somebody. This is important for work. So you decide it. It's your list. You do things. Not urgent. If it's not going to happen today, that's fine. I can do it later, tomorrow or later in the week. That's okay. Nothing's going to happen. Non-urgent. Maybe like buy cat food can be actually non-urgent. Like if you don't do it today, it can be done tomorrow. But I put it in mid-urgency because that's it. I ran out of it. There's no more food and she needs it and there's no other option. Non-urgent. Let's say I'm traveling. I need to buy gifts. Buy gifts. Like it's important. I need to do it, but it's okay if I don't do it today because I still have time. Like let's say I'm leaving in a couple of days. It needs to be done, but that's okay if it's not going to be done today. Later, if I'm leaving in a couple of days, later maybe in a day or two, it's going to become urgent because I cannot do things without it. It needs to be done. That's it. But for now, it's non-urgent. Okay, and you can add your other stuff with things are non-urgent for you, like they need to be done, but that's okay if you miss them and if you don't do them right now. Maybe to print something, print posters. That would be cool if I do it today, but if I don't print them, I still actually have like 2 to 3 days to print them. So that's kind of the idea for non-urgent. My intention for the day. This part is quite interesting and many people don't understand what it is. Like how do I want to spend this day? With what kind of energy I want to leave this day? My intention for the day is that I am living this day without getting affected what other people say or think about me and how they talk to me. I want to live with a state of giving the light energy, giving something positive to other people. That's kind of my intention for today. Now I just need to phrase it in a good way and write it down. My intention for today is to live this day in a positive state, no matter what, and be the light for other people. So it doesn't matter what's going to happen today, I will still choose to be positive about things no matter what is going to happen. Sometimes I say, doesn't matter what's going to happen, I will still be within my positive state. No matter what happens, I will still take it with gratitude. Maybe that's your intention for the day. Being grateful for everything that's happening today. Being grateful for if something is not going in the right direction. Being grateful if something is not working out. You can also put it down. Maybe your intention, you want to focus a lot on your health and your wellness. So your intention for the day could be that I want to spend this day taking care of myself. I want to spend this day loving myself and giving my body time to recharge, to reconnect with myself. I want to spend this day focusing on connecting with myself, right? So you can write it all down here, but I want you to have it like with what kind of state, what is your focus, what is your intention for the day. So no matter what's going to happen, you are always going to get back to this intention. That's why we are writing it down. So if something goes wrong, I will come back to this because I set up this intention that no matter what happens, I will spend this day and I will live this day in a positive state. I will remind myself if I end up getting into the negative state, I will remind myself like this is my intention. I want to be the light for other people. I want to be positive. I don't want to get into conflicts. I don't want to argue. And if I find myself in a situation that I'm ready to fight or be so negative about something, I will remind myself I want to be the light for other people. I don't want to spread the darkness around other people. I want to be the light. That's my intention. My self-care plan for today. As you could see in to-dos, I didn't put anything related to self-care. I didn't put like, oh, I need to go to the gym, I need to drink water, I need to do some physical exercises, activities, walks, which I actually have every single day. I just don't want them to put on a to-do list. It's kind of, the purpose of the to-do is like extra stuff you have to do. But for self-care, it's only related to your health and wellness and your body. So my self-care plan for today, go to the gym. I forgot to put the word go to the gym, or you can just put gym. 30 minutes walk. My self-care plan for today, maybe drink 3 liters of water. 20 minutes meditation. Something is wrong with my writing today. I apologize. You don't have to fill in all the spaces, that's okay. Like for now, I can only think of those things. So go to the gym, 30 minutes walk, meditation. Sometimes maybe I will have my like nails appointment, my hair, which I actually don't do regularly, like once half a year, but that's kind of other things what you will put here. Maybe you visit a doctor. That's also part of the self-care plan for the day. But I want you to write something to not only to do and work and hustle and focusing on work. So to-do list is focusing on the work and tasks and being productive. But self-care plan is about your health and wellness and things you should do to take care of yourself. Notes and reminders. As I said, if you have something else to add, do it here. Maybe you want to put in notes and reminders that you found some like YouTube video and you want to like watch or download. Some podcasts or something like that for myself. Like if you want to write more things, if you have something to actually write and reflect during the day, or maybe during the day you can, like in the morning you realize that you forgot something from yesterday. I like taking some stuff from yesterday, some reminders from yesterday, and put them here. So as I said, this is your section. This is your special section. And it's gonna be special personally to you and nobody else. Whatever you want to write here, do it here. Maybe in your notes and reminders, you can put observe my behavior traits. Traits during the day. Focus on breathing. I don't know. Like something like this can go here. Like, as I said, something where you have to write more and remind yourself of certain things and like certain rules for yourself. They can go all here. But that's actually it. Like, as you could see, it did not take a lot of time to fill it in. It probably took more time of me explaining what goes where, what's the meaning behind all of this. But it's actually very straightforward, and I would love you to use it, especially if you don't know where to start. This is the morning edition. This is a special morning edition. Do it every single day and you will start noticing the difference in how you set your day, how you're kicking off your day, how you start having more energy, being more excited about the day, how you have more clarity about the tasks during the day. So please, I highly encourage you to do that. If you haven't been doing anything for your morning and intention, especially, it is super important. As I said before, whatever happens during the day, you can always come back to this and remind yourself. Like, maybe sometimes you're lazy and don't want to do anything. This is my intention for today. This is why I'm doing this. If you're focused on wellness and self-care, this is why I'm doing all of this. This is why I need to go to the gym, because I want to take care of myself, my health and my body. Everything is so important. But that's how my journal, my page looks like. As I said before, if you want to add something to it, feel free to do that. Just play around, fill it in. During the day, you can always come back and put like, okay, I completed this. I called this one, and I actually end up buying some gifts, and I end up printing some posters. So that's good. So for the previous day, you can come back and see, like, I didn't complete this one, so this all can go to the next day, right? But that was it for the journaling practice. As you could see, it's actually very easy, very straightforward, does not require a lot of your time, because many people don't do it because of it, they think it's time sensitive. So if you can find 5 minutes every single morning instead of scrolling through your social media, but dedicate 5 minutes every single day to set up the intention for the day, to kick off your day, you will start noticing a lot of difference how you are spending your day, what kind of choices you're making every single day. And just try doing it for 1 month, and you will start noticing a lot of difference in your well-being as well, how you feel. Many people feel less overwhelmed, feel less anxious. So I highly encourage you to do it all. So this is a morning edition. I'm planning to do the evening edition as well. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know if you want to get the evening edition as well. Feel free to print out the morning edition, print as many pages as you want, 30 pages for every single day of the month. Feel free to use it on your laptop, on your computer, or on your phone. Just take a set of questions and do that. So you can definitely play around with that. Nobody is limiting you that you should download this and use this every single day, but use it as extra guide, as a template to kick off your day. Feel free to download it and use it and share it. Take a picture, share it on your socials. I will be happy to repost it in my socials as well, or just write it down in the comments below if you've been using it for some time, because I think I shared it in my previous video as well. I just, like, this time I wanted to dedicate a full video focusing on how I feel it in. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. Let me know if you have any more questions, if you have any questions about the journaling practice, and see you in my next video.